Right guys, welcome to Blackmore Vale RC. Today, or at some point in this video, can be a series of videos, this Subaru is Nitro. This one is my one that I made up myself out of bits and pieces of old truck. So what I'm going to do is we're going to convert it to electric. So we've got a Trill 1/8 scale motor mount, hobby wing quick run 150 VSC, and a 4274 brushless motor, 2000 kV. This should make this thing fly. It's a pain in the ass trying to start at Nitro. There's 4 body clips to pull out and just stalls all the time. I'll show you the mess inside here. So that's a Turnigy engine from Hobby King. This was an original truck which had that body on it, and I converted it into a Subaru after I did the Subaru series of the Carson. Put 2S battery in it. So this one is going to get converted to electric, as I said. What we're going to do is strip the entire chassis off. I've got gloves on because it's absolutely caked in crap, and I'm going to make another chassis. So I've got this, and I make a wider chassis, keep it the same length, but I'm going to make it wider so that it can hold the batteries and all the other stuff. That's a bit of 6068 T6, and it's 5mm thick. So that's the plan for this. I'm going to do start stripping it down, and as I start stripping it, I shall check all the diffs. I've got all new diff parts available. Change the shock oil, get it all marked out, drilled, or might even be clever and put it in my CNC. Alright, so we'll see how it goes. There's loads of bits that I don't need on this, so I'm going to start stripping it, guys, and we'll come back at points where I'm ready to show you. Right guys, it's all stripped. What I've got to do, obviously, because there's some indentations there for the diffs to sit in. If you can see that he's been CNC'd out, you can see where the tools vibrated a little bit in that. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to try and draw a vector of this and put it through my CNC. Just pin mark all the holes that I need. I've marked them all on the other side, the ones that I really do need. Cut these out, pin mark all these, because I'm going to change all the screws to proper screws instead of monkey metal Phillips screws, and then we'll see how we get on with the vector. But, yeah, okay, doke, we'll be back. Right guys, part 2 of the Subaru chassis build. Done the vectors, tested them out on a bit of MDF to make sure all the parts fit. I've had a couple of issues with the CNC. First time of machining aluminium. This is 6068 T6, so it's slightly hard, not as hard as 7075. Yeah, a couple of issues with some tools snapping, wrong feed rates, wrong speeds. I've done a test in the top corner there, and I think we're good to go. So your journey's with me, and this could end up being very expensive. Cheers guys, let's go. There you go guys, it's all done. Ain't quite gone down deep enough there, but at the end of the day, there's an RC chassis made on a Fox Alien.